Today I'm going to show you how to accompany yourself on the piano as a singer in just 4 easy steps. Look for a song that's laid out in a chords and lyrics format, or use a lead sheet. A lead sheet typically includes the song's lyrics and the chord names, which makes it super easy to sing along while you play. You can find many songs online, or check out the Ready, Set, Play Piano course, The Singer's Guide. One commonly used chord progression in pop music is built on 4 primary chords: C major, G major, A minor, and F major. I go deeper into chord inversions and introduce various chord styles in my piano course. You can play a steady beat where you play your chord 1, 2, 3, 4, or you can also try rolling the chord in a steady pattern as an arpeggio. While the right hand's playing the full chord, your left hand will play the root note of the chord. So for example, a C chord will have a C note in the left hand. Your left hand will just play on beat 1 and hold while the right hand plays the chords. This really gives your accompaniment a full sound.